big breaking update coming in. There is a statement which has been made by the CPIM. That is right. And this is on the seat which was won by Priyanka Gandhi from Wayanad. Communist Party of India, Marxist Politburo member A. Vijay Raghavan alleged that a communal Muslim alliance was behind the victory of Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and his sister Priyanka Gandhi from the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat. Congress versus CPIM. Communal Muslim Alliance helped Congress win. So this is the big breaking update we're getting for you right now, viewers on Republic TV. And remember that Priyanka Gandhi has just become an MP in this winter session. And from the Wayanad seat, after that, we are seeing that there are a couple of reactions which have come in. CPIM leader says that Communal Muslim Alliance is behind Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi's poll victory in Wayanad. So these are back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. We will be tracking these updates. And what we see right now, viewers, is that the CPIM Politburo leader A. Vijay Raghavan says that the reason behind the poll victory of Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi from the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat was because of Communal Muslim Alliance. And he has said two people have gone from Wayanad, meaning Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, with whose support he's asking. With the strong support of the Communal Muslim Alliance, without their support, was it possible for Rahul Gandhi to reach Delhi? So this is one of the top updates we're tracking here on Republic TV. All right, let's move on right now to some of the other stories we're tracking, viewers. The Lok Sabha secretary has now appointed a JPC chairperson. That is right. Now, this is for the One Nation, One Election. PP Chaudhary emphasized that the importance of JPC's role in analyzing the feasibility and mechanics of simultaneous elections. Take a look at this report as we get you the biggest updates.
The Lok Sabha secretary has appointed BJP MP PP Chaudhary to lead the Joint Parliamentary Committee. PP Chaudhary will examine the simultaneous polls bill. Addressing the media, PP Chaudhary emphasized JPC's role in One Nation, One Election bill.
ये महसूस किया गया लंबे समय तक कि इससे खर्चा भी जो है बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, बहुत बढ़ता है, पब्लिक के उसके सीधा भार पड़ता है। और दूसरी बात जो है वो है कि अलग अलग चुनाव होने से मशीनरी जो है पूरी की पूरी टाइम टू टाइम वो लगी रहती है, उसका बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होता है। जो बिल पेश हुआ लोकसभा में, उसको लोकसभा ने पूरा बिल जो है वो वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन जो जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट कमेटी है उसको दिया है। उसमें 27 मेंबर जो हैं वो लोकसभा के हैं और 12 जो हैं वो राज्यसभा के हैं। तो पूरी जेपीसी जो है वो समय समय पे जितने भी स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, जो भी इसमें जो रखते हैं वजूद रखते हैं, उनको सुना जाएगा। उसके अनुसार जो है बाद में सरकार को निर्णय लेना है।
The newly formed committee for One Nation, One Election will now have 27 members from the Lok Sabha and 12 from the Rajya Sabha, making it a total of 39 members. The panel, which was initially set for 31 members, has now expanded after smaller parties urged Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to include them in the crucial committee.